I just want you to see how the yard floods. So when I say we're not going outside and we're trapped in the house because of the rain, we're not kidding. The water recedes very quickly, but the ground is just saturated right now. As soon as it stops raining, it will run off. We are kind of higher than the rest of the neighborhood. But while it's raining, it's deep. So again, today we are trapped in the house. Isn't that fun? We've got a little bit of flooding here. Path is a little gone. Not real bad, but you know. Welcome to the Philippines. Now, I am not a rice expert, but I think this batch of rice might be a total loss. It got deep. I know they do keep it flooded sometimes. There's a method to their madness of flooding and draining as needed, but I think it got a little out of hand. Anyway, fun. You carry your shoes with you and you wear rubber boots. I do keep offering to buy her rubber boots and she keeps not buying them, so it's not really my fault. Did my grocery shopping. The containers are new. I'm organizing some things here at the house. I brought cardboard banker's boxes with me 6 years ago. They're starting to look old. The box is full of groceries at the moment. And it's kind of rainy, so I am going home in stages. I was at the jeepney stop. Started raining, so I hid inside a store with the Sakad drivers until the rain stopped. Got a ride down here to my waiting shed with the big hole in the roof, and the rain started again. So now we wait, and then we walk home through the flooded fields. We're doing okay. Got my hat. Got my cape. And let me see if we can show you. Can't show you without falling down. And I got my really cool boots. So I'm waterproof up to here, and my raincoat goes down to here. So this section is all that is wet. Not too shabby. Welcome to the Philippines. The groceries made it home. My cape is very wet on the outside and dry on the inside, which means I am still dry. My wonderful boots, need to clean them, kept me dry. My hat got wet, but my hair did not. My purse stayed dry. And I can't be facing the camera because, according to this, I'm not wearing very much on my front porch. I guess I should go inside and put my groceries away and find some clothes. Hello, herb garden. Welcome to the rainy season. Enjoy your day in paradise.